Okay, and we're back. What we want to do is try to make this bomb look a little bit more realistic, and we do that by adding detail. So you start simple, remember the hotkey 1? You start off simple, and you add detail by either adding more polygons or faces, vertices, or edges. Okay, so what we're going to do is add edges right now to this fine looking model. When I add more detail in here, the final result's going to look a lot more realistic. Okay, so let's go back to here, and I'm going to teach you about the Add Edge tool. You'll be using this tool quite a bit. So if I go to Mesh Tools and Insert Edge Loop here, this is a really powerful tool. Watch what happens when I start inserting edge loops. So I'm going to click on Insert Edge Loop, click Drag on Edges. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in here real close. And what I want is I want for these fins to not be rounded. I don't like this rounded look. I want these to be straight. I want these to be round right here, but these I want to be straight edges. So how do I do that? I'm going to go ahead and hit Add Edge tool, and notice when I click and drag here, it's going to add an edge all the way around the perimeter here. And I don't want to add it down here. Watch what happens when I let go and I add edges here. Okay, so I now added edges all the way around the perimeter. Watch what happens when I go back to the subdivided view. Look at that. So now I have solid edges here. Okay? I want to do that to the rest of this. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to add edges along here and along the bottom. I'm going to add edges along here and here and here. Okay, now watch what happens. See what happens there? When you add an edge next to another edge, it creates a sharper looking finished result in the subdivided view. So now already, I feel like our bomb's starting to look a little bit more realistic. And granted, I think fins are goofy right here, so we'll have to go in and fix that because they're all thick at the bottom and thin at the top. Don't like that. Gonna have to change that. So we will go ahead and do that in the next video.